Good morning, students. Today we will revise Unit 4 of Elga 4. Earlier also we have revised this unit, and today we will revise it with the help of a worksheet and see how you will attempt this unit in your exam. So the first question for this worksheet is multiple choice questions. The first is the correct blend for dash OUT is spr, scr, spur. Means you have to write a blending sound to complete this word. So here which blend will fit? Spur blend, scr blend and or spur blend. So here we will use spur blend and the word become EW is spur blend, scr blend or spur blend. So here scr blend and the word will become screw. Similarly, next, this one I want all of you to do by yourself. Try it yourself. Let's move towards the fourth question. What is the picture mostly about? Here a picture is given. 3 children are doing something in the picture. So you have to look at the picture and think what is happening in the picture or what the picture says, what you understand by looking at the picture. So the picture is mostly about painting, reading or dancing. So by looking at the picture, I can see that this picture is about painting. So we will tick on painting. So we will do multiple choice questions like this. See, here 3 options are given, but we will choose only one, the correct one, and tick on only one. If you will tick on more than one, the answer will become wrong. So, first of all, read the question carefully, then tick on the correct answer only. Then, second question, this is like the fourth one, and you will do it by yourself. Next, sixth one, have to find out the noun. Noun means the naming word. So Rahul is the naming word, is the naming word, or painting is the naming word. You have to choose the correct. So Rahul is someone's name. So Rahul is the naming word. We will tick on Rahul. Next is verb in the sentence. Naman is playing football. So here verb means the doing word or the action. Right? So Naman is playing football. And see Naman is a naming word. He is doing something, playing football. Football is also a naming word of a thing which Naman is playing. So what Naman is doing? Naman is playing. So playing is the verb here. So we will take on playing. Like this we will do. Right? So let's move towards the next part. Next part is take the sentence and tell what happened next in the picture. Here is a picture in which a girl is there, a jug and a glass of water is there. So think about it by looking at the picture that what is going to happen. So let's see the options. The girl will drink water. The girl will eat noodles. So by looking at the picture, you can see. Can you see any noodles here? So by looking at the picture, the next thing will happen that the girl will drink water. So we will tick on the girl will drink water like this. Next picture. See, here are people who are carrying bags. So what they will do here? What will happen next in the picture? They will go somewhere or they will sleep. When you pack your bags, so why you are packing your bags? For sleeping or for going somewhere? So the picture tells that they are going somewhere. They will go somewhere. Okay, let's move towards the next question. Next is C part. Tick the correct sentence. Here are some sentences are given. You have to choose the correct sentence. So first sentence, Reena and Sonu play in the park. Again on number B part, again written, Reena and Sonu play in the park. But there is a mistake in in one of the sentence. In the first A part, Reena R is capital, S Sonu's S is capital, because we know we write proper nouns in the capital letter, and also we start a sentence with a capital letter, and at the end we put a full stop. So in part A, so we will tick on part A like this. Next, my mother and I will go to Mumbai. So here in first sentence, the beginning of the sentence is with small letter, which is incorrect. And I is always written in capital form. So it is also incorrect. So the sentence B is correct here. So we will tick on sentence B here. Let's move towards the next part. Match the same blend sound words. Same blending sound words you have to match with each other. So the first is written brick. So you will match brick with the same blending sound, which is on part D, brown. So you will match brick and brown like this. So you have to do this matching at your own, because in unit 3 also we have revised how to do the matching of same blending sounds. So you will do this matching by yourself. Let's move towards the next part. Here, read the story and answer the questions given below. Here is a story written. Some pictures about the story is also given. So you have to read the story carefully, and afterwards you will do the answers. So let's read the story now. So here is a picture in which some friends are on pictures. My friends and I went to the park. The park had a lake, which means my friends and I went to a park, and in that park there is a lake. We saw a little orange fish. So near the lake we saw a little orange fish. It had gotten out of water. So the fish was gotten out of water. So can you think, if a fish will get out of water, what will happen? We all know that fish can't be alive out of water. So the friends think of helping the fish. My friends and I help to put the fish back into the water. So we all think to help the fish, and we put the fish back into the water. So let's do the question answer related to this story. The first question is, what is the story mostly about? So you have read the story, what you will think? You think that this story is mostly about helping the fish or playing with the friends? What is the story mostly about? The story is mostly about helping the fish, because friends saw a fish, then they think of helping the fish. So we will take on helping the fish. Let's see the next question. And the underlined word, you have to think the meaning of that underlined word. So we saw a small orange, little orange fish. So here the underlined word is little. So what do you think about the word little? So is it the meaning is small or huge? So little means small. So look at the picture also. Here is a small orange fish in the picture also. So we can see that in the picture there is a small fish. So we can think that little means small. So we will tick on small. Next question. Where did the friends go? So think, read in the story. The first line says, my friends and I went into the park. So the friends will had gone in the park. So we will write, the friends went to the park. Next question. What color was the fish? So the color of the fish was, read the third line. We saw a little orange fish. So we can clearly see, and in the picture also there is a orange fish. So we can clearly see that the color of the fish was orange. Next sentence, complete the sentence. What did the park have? Here is the question, what did the park have? And park had a. So here is written, the park had a lake. So we will write lake like this. Next, make sentences using the subject and the verb. So subject means for whom we are talking about, and the verb is what the subject is doing. So using these two words, the subject and the verb, we will frame sentences. So the Rohan cleans. So we can frame a sentence like, Rohan cleans his study table. You can frame your own sentence, it is your choice. You can use these words and frame your own sentences also. Next is Suman watches. So Suman watches. We will use Suman watches and frame a sentence like, Suman watches cartoons on television. Next, Meena reads. So we can frame a sentence like, Meena reads a storybook. You can use and frame the words and frame your own sentences. Let's move towards the last part. Give answer in one word, one or two words. So the first question in the F part is, write any two whole words. You have to write any two whole words you have read in this unit. So I have written these two words, every and ready. You can write any two words which you like, which you have remembered in this unit. So, earlier also I have told you that while reading the whole words, we do not use any letter sounds. So, the answer will be no. No, we do not use any letter sounds to read the whole words. We read them as we see them. Next is write two proper nouns. Proper nouns are the nouns which are the names of the common nouns, which are the special names. So, like Rohan, Rohan is a name of a boy, of a particular person. So, the name of a particular person, place, or thing is the proper noun. So, we can write the name of any person, we can write the name of anything, or we can write the name of any particular name of any place. Like Rohan, Delhi, you can use any other names also. Next, write two common nouns. So, common nouns are the groups or the names commonly used for the person, place, or thing. Like boy, similarly temple. It can be any temple. So you can write any type of common noun words which you like. So that's all for today. I want all of you to watch the video carefully and then solve the worksheet given with the video. Thank you. Happy learning.